Can you guess the Clash Royale cards by their AI sound? 95% of players fail this test. Good luck.
Haha. Let's go. Yay. Gotcha. Phew. Bullseye. Phew.
Starting off easy. Princess. Before we move on, big props to everyone who guessed the 6-7 last time. It was the Wall Breakers.
Tada pusu lunta yadu ya kuma huyu wakasta hutuka.
You're seriously jinxed if you missed this one. Ice Wizard.
Timber! The timber! Chop, chop! Timber! Wood and timber tree, all falling down for me!
One last easy one. Lumberjack. Bonus round. You'll reach Ultimate Champion, but don't message the first person that shows up when you press share, then more.
Electricity! Electrify! Zap! Electrons!
Now let's jump into medium level. Electro Wizard.
Hey, yeah!
What's this one? Goblin Gang.
Out of my way!
You're not OG if you don't get this one. Ram Rider.
Showtime. Magic.
Fire, fire.
Fireball. Fireball.
Hard level now. Guess this. Wizard.
Boulder! Bolza! Bolza! Bolza!
And this one. Magic Archer. Last hard before we go 6-7. Mega Knight. Now 6-7. Are you ready for 6-7 level? Follow me for more Clash Royale trivia. Let's go. Prove you're OG. Drop your answer in the comments.